Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and having great time at home. I welcome you all to the Smart School e-lesson classroom. Let's see what are we going to do today. We will learn about the letter A and its sound A. We will also learn the words that begin with the sound A. And we will learn the correct formation of A. So let's begin the class. This is the letter A and its sound is A.
Apple. A, 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 a. Apple. A, 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 a. Apple. A, a, apple. A, a, apple. A, 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 a. Apple.
Now listen the sound and the words carefully and repeat them after me. A ant, a aeroplane, a arrow, a ambulance. Now let's see how we can write A.
A. Round the apple, up and down with a flick. A. Apple. A. Round the apple, up and down with a flick. A. Ant. A. Round and up and down with a flick. A. Arrow. Round and up and down with a flick. A.
Now let's practice writing A in the hollow letter. You need to start from this point and go round, round and round. Go up, then come down and make a curve. See, it's very simple. Now let's try with another color. Okay, dear students, this is your day 1 task. You need to practice writing A as many times as you can on the green board. This is your day 2 task. This task should be done in your Smart Language workbook. You need to write A in the hollow letter as many times as you can with different pencil colors on page 5. And on page 6, color in the picture and trace A with pencil. This task should be done in your notebook. On the first page, write A in the hollow letter as many times as you can with different pencil colors and color in the picture ant, or you can make any other picture that begins the sound of A. And on the second page, write A as many times as you can with pencil. Best of luck, everyone. So let's see what have we learned today. We have learned about the letter A and its sound A. And we have also learned the words that begin with A, like A ant, A ambulance, and A aeroplane. And we have also learned the correct formation of A.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, I know